So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download Clubhouse for the Android. So guys, lot of Android users already report to how to install and download Clubhouse app on Android devices, but still not showing on Play Store. But now launch on the Clubhouse in Android devices. So guys, now how to register Clubhouse for the Android device. So guys, you can see also Clubhouse finally released on the Android app. You can download from the Play Store in Android devices, and also provided you live in United States. The voice-based social network launched as a beta Android on the Play Store for the user in US in Sunday, and said it gradually make the new app available in another English countries and also rest of the world. So guys, Clubhouse finally released on the Android devices, but still now how to register for the Clubhouse in Android devices. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Clubhouse for the Android devices. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to download and install Clubhouse app in your Android devices. So guys, first of all, open the Play Store in your Android devices. Then you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar, search the Clubhouse app in your Android devices. Then you can see also first applications launch on the Android device. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also pre-register. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also this type interface show in your Android devices, but still now first of all install when the available. So guys, please tap on that. When available on your Android devices, then automatically install in your Android devices. So guys, please wait for the sometimes for official Clubhouse app in your Android devices. Now you can see also pre-register options. After you can see also second option is automatically install. If you turn off, so guys, please turn on the automatically install in your Android devices when available in Android Play Store. So guys, easy to automatically install in your Android. I will show you first features, listen to live in conversations. The second one is explore the highways to find new rooms. The third one is to woo online and say hello. Then fourth one is find your people and communities in Clubhouse app. So guys, these features available on Android devices in Clubhouse app. So guys, you can easily download and install Clubhouse officially in Android devices. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram.